Hi everyone! Good morning to all of you and have a good day. I'm sharing my hobby here in Popo Live is singing. That is my hobby. When I was younger and elementary and high school, I'm always singing in my friends and in my teachers. When I have a program in my school, I always singing. That's why I share to you my singing today. Hey, there's a look in your eyes. Must be love at first sight. You were just part of a dream, nothing more, so it seems. I guess I found my inspiration. With one smile, smile and take my breath away. So hold me close and say you stay with me now. Thank you. This heart reaction and also vote for me.